请保持2米车距。自动驾驶中，随时停车，车辆右转，请注意安全。车辆右转，请注意安全。自动驾驶中，车辆左转，请注意安全。车辆左转，请注意安全。自动驾驶中，请保持2米车距。自动驾驶。
I just went. I was like,
What do you say?
I think I was just gassing up like that Curry and stuff.
Fucking moron. You give like,
Yeah, I was,
everyone does it at the end.
Warriors.
School zone ahead. The speed limit is 40 kilometers.
Jeez. Little motherfuckers. Shit.
Wow!
tongue when we're talking about what I need. Think you're the silent type, but that ain't what I like. I need a man who knows how to speak, so talk to me. Yap on the phone with your daddy till dawn, fishing with your buddies, going on and on and on. Those fish hear more than me. Cat gets your tongue when we're talking